Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. If you're new here, my name is Enyoma. I do product and lifestyle reviews on this channel. Going forward, it's probably going to be a lot of hair product and skincare product reviews and some travel videos as well. Today's video is going to be very quick. Oh, real quick. Could you please like, share, and subscribe? Thank you. This is going to be a quick video. I'm going to be reviewing the shampoo bar by Bask and Bloom. This was created by a black woman from Bahamas named Kandera Thompson, and it is supposed to contain bentonite clay and rasul to help clarify the hair and detoxify the skin. Oh, you can use it for your skin. Nice. Without stripping away moisture. I don't know why I thought you wouldn't be able to use it on your skin. That doesn't make sense. Anyway, so basically you're supposed to wet your hair, rub it on the scalp to produce a lather, wash and rinse as usual. You can cut it into smaller sections and use it as a facial bar as well. So I read a bunch of reviews by Black women with locks and they said they really liked it. This is what it looks like. So it's not a lot of product, as you can see. It is $15 and it's shipped to California for $7. You spent $22 for this. I know that some people can grate shampoo bars and then they use that, mix it with water, and that lasts longer. So I'll probably try that next time I wash my hair with it. But for now, I don't have the time. I'm supposed to be going on a date in 25 minutes. It's not gonna happen. I'm gonna be so late. I'm gonna be so late. Anyway, yeah, so let's go ahead and review this and see how it goes. All right. So my hair is dirty. It has been 1 month since I washed it. It's a lot of hair and it is not clean. Hopefully you can see just how much buildup there is. Like, look at the roots. I think because I used the shampoo in Hawaii that is not made for black hair, but I needed to get my hair clean after hours and hours of hiking. And yeah, there is so much dirt at the roots that I'm hoping this will get out. But I'm gonna wash it and then I don't know if it's gonna get it out. I don't know. My luck with shampoo bars is not the best, but I need to get this out. So I will probably use something else. My Neutrogena shampoo that I use to clarify my locks that works so well has been discontinued, or I can't find it. So I'm trying to figure out what I'm gonna do. I'm also trying to move to less plastic, so I was not gonna use it anyway, but then my hair got like this and I was like, oh, I gotta use something. But if you have any ideas for a clarifying shampoo that is hopefully less plastic, maybe it comes in aluminum or it's zero waste, or even if it's a shampoo bar, I would really appreciate it, because I don't trust shampoo bars 100% yet, because I have yet to find one that just works perfectly, but I'm still willing to give them a shot, right? All right, let's do this. I really hate showering with clothes on, but do it for the gram, right? For the tube. Anyway, this is me after 3 passes. You can still see the buildup on this lock. It lathered very well, right? You saw the lather on the 3rd time through, but it's not quite clean. I don't like it doesn't feel dirty, but I can still see the buildup. So I'm thinking maybe my hair was just too dirt. It's not even dirt. It's like it's buildup from the other shampoo. Ow, my gosh, long hair problems, y'all. It is buildup from the other shampoo that I used, I think. And, you know, sweat and day-to-day living, you know, working out and all that stuff. But it's mostly clean, except a few locks that it just has that, see, right there. I typically don't have this on my hair because I don't use gels or anything, so there's no reason for it to be there, except for the product that I used. So what I'm gonna do is go on my date somehow, and then I'm going to finish, come back, and soak my hair in apple cider vinegar with baking soda, because I don't think this is quite it. I would really very much like to get all the junk out of the roots so that it doesn't progress. Let me show you what the bar looks like after 3 passes. I have a lot of hair, and on the 3rd pass, I used the little on the shaft. I mostly focused on the roots. So we went from a full bar to this. This is what's left. And pretty sure I could keep going to get the hair even cleaner. So for $22, I would probably be using almost a full bar per wash. That's not unreasonable. It's a bit much, but then I have a lot of hair, so not judging that at all. And then when you think about it, shampoo that's liquid is basically diluted shampoo, and this is concentrated. So either way, you're kind of paying for the same product. You're either buying diluted shampoo or concentrated shampoo for the same price. So definitely gonna soak my hair and see if I can get, yeah, you can even see it from this distance right there. I'm gonna see if I can get that out. I have dish soap. Go back to my trusted, tried and true dish soap. I'm gonna use dish soap and see if I can get this out after I soak it. And then I'll show you guys what it looks like after I soak it and see if it worked. All right, y'all. Wish me luck on this date. Okay, the date went really well, you guys. I really like him. Okay, moving on. The hair that I washed is now dry. I'm still going to wash it again because I do not trust the buildup that I still saw. Can't really see it when it's dry, but still don't trust it. But I'm not gonna do apple cider vinegar because look what I found. Dish soap. I went to search for my usual lemon dish soap, but I didn't have any. But my sister used this to get some buildup from her hair when she had washed with some kind of bar soap before. And I'm going to do it, and I'm going to wash and wash and wash until everything comes off. So I'm not saying that the shampoo bar is bad or doesn't work, because I'm sure it has worked for many people. I just think my hair was probably too dirty for it, and for 3 passes I think it just needs something a little bit stronger at this moment to remove the buildup. So let's get to it again. Okay, so post dish washer liquid, I think it looks much better. I think some of this is just dandruff, but that thick little blob of buildup is much better. So see the little dandruff strands right here, but I think it still looks better. See, this is why I struggle trying new products and stuff. It's just that I don't understand. It works for other people, but for me, I don't know. It don't give what it's supposed to be given. So I really think I'm still gonna try new products, but I'm also going to keep my dish soap handy because I have yet to find anything that really cleanses my hair that thoroughly. And I don't seem to have a problem putting moisture back in my hair. I just spray with water, lock with oil, you know, and it's worked for years now. So not saying that this is a bad product. I just don't think it's a product for me. Maybe if my hair was just slightly dirty, it would work. But for me, somebody who exercises a lot and is always on the go, I think I need something a bit stronger than that particular bar, shampoo bar. But all in all, I mean, it feels good on the scalp. It's fine. I think it'll work for a lot of people, as it does. It has great reviews, but I don't think that I will be buying it in the future just for my own hair. But that's it. Thank you so much for watching this review. The next video you're gonna see is me celebrating 10 years of Locs, and it's gonna be a special one, I promise. So please like, share, and subscribe if you're into that. And I will catch you in my next video. Bye.